Matt here again. Now, a common question people always ask me is, should I mount my generator on the actual trailer? Okay, now, previously in the past we have, and you'll see other people do, okay? But here's the thing that we found over time. It's not if, it's when that you'll have an issue when you go to a location that the generator just happens to be in the wrong spot. Let me explain, right? For example, there's plenty of room right here for a generator, but the way we actually set the trailers up, each one of these inlets is a 15 amp circuit, so it will only run enough to run 15 amps. And then what we do is have a 3.5 kVA generator. They weigh about 20, 23, 24 kilos, somewhere in that ballpark, okay? And you can literally move around quite easily. They're on wheels and so on and so forth. So when you move the generator around, you can plug a lead in here just like you would plug it into a location. Then you can put the generator off behind the actual trailer or the truck or whatever, and when you're actually there, then no one's hearing the noise. So my recommendation is, do not mount the actual generator on the drawbar. Yes, we have in the past, but it's better not to do it because we've found over time that it'll be a problem with you, and when it's all bolted down, you can't move it and it can stop your trading for the day, and we don't want that. We want you out there making money.